Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a brand new day. It's actually not nice outside. It's cloudy, not cloudy, it's about to pour, but it's still sunny like some side. But we're on our way to Chipotle. So hopefully I can take you guys, I'm taking you guys with me, and we have to do some things after. I'll take you guys with me, so stay tuned. Be sure you subscribe if you're watching us for the first time, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna eat, Boo-boo. You wanna eat? You wanna eat chicken? Huh? You want chicken and rice? Yeah, we're here, you guys. You guys, we're here. We're just waiting on the food. I don't know what he got. He said he got a family meal. I don't know exactly what comes with it, but we're here. It was pouring really, really bad. So hopefully it stopped raining. It looks like it's clearing out, hopefully. By the time we're done eating, because we were trying to go to this place, this fun place. And the food is ready. Food is ready. Food is ready. I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. All I ate today was 3 egg whites, boiled egg whites. Why you get so little? You want bread? She like bread. Right, Callie? She messed her hair. Sit down. Good girl. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good. Callie, come here. Come here. This is the food. It looks so good. Oh my god. It comes with rice, bean sauce, got a cheesecake, and some dinner roll. It looks good. Why you got so little for the barbecue sauce? Yeah, we're about to eat and stuff our face. The chicken look good. I love their chicken. It's well seasoned. So, yeah. Let me blow it.
It's yours?
Here. She's gonna dirty her clothes. This sauce bar. It's hot, boo-boo. Here. This sauce bar looks different from the Grange's. It's nice and thick. I like that. Oh, Callie's gonna dirty me, really. I like their sauce bar. I actually want a fork. Callie's in my way. Look at the chicken. Chicken look good. I don't even know if I'm smoking. You really have to be like I feel like I like the Grange's seasoning better. I don't know what I want. Here. Food is hot. Callie's eating her food for the first time. Her face looks a hot mess. Janelle over here. And Vicky's right there. Say hi. Janelle don't want to say hi. I'll see you guys when we're leaving, I guess. But we're done. Callie's still eating. We're done, and we have one more chicken left. Nobody wants it. Vicky done eating. I'm done eating. Yeah, pretty much done. That was pretty fast. Food was good. You can see me? It look clear? It look clear? Yeah, we're done, you guys. We're about to go. And Callie dirty her dress. It's a hot mess. She dirty her dress. Look at that. It's all dirty with juice. Okay guys, we're going to Publix. It's raining still haven't stopped raining, but we're going to Publix. But Callie's looking kind of, we're supposed to go somewhere else. I think we're not going anymore because Callie's looking a hot mess and I didn't bring any clothes for her. So yeah, we're going to Publix. I'll see you guys when I get inside. Huh?
It's funny how you're just out with the camera in public.
I don't care. That's the thing. I really don't care. I can hold this.
And you're holding it out so far.
Can you see my face though?
You're holding it too high.
It's okay, Vicky. Watch where you're going. Oh, that's not the entrance? Oh. Remember that place we went last time with the mini golf and everything? That was the name? I don't know. But we was gonna go somewhere similar.
Why can't we go?
Callie's not looking right.
That's okay. A baby? Oh, sorry.
She's a baby looking like that. She didn't get a cold. Vicky's vlogging. Guys, we're back home. I changed my clothes because we decided to go to the place.
Bless you.
So, Callie, you gotta change your pants. Forgot about that. I have to change Callie's pants. I changed her outfit because she dirty it. So, am I on it? You're not gonna be able to see it. So we're back here.
I don't see nothing.
Huh?
I don't see nothing.
You can't put your face. You gotta see. Now you can see it, right?
No. But now I can.
Now we're back home. Callie changed her clothes. I had to put her pants on. I changed my shirt. Changed my shoes. I had tennis shoes on. I took it out. I'm wearing sandals. I'm drinking coffee because I'm tired. I'm sleepy actually. Janelle's sleepy too. But I have some coffee here. Some coffee, some fresh hot coffee. But I guess I'll see you guys maybe in the car or when we get there. I don't know. I'll see you guys when we get there. We're here at Flying Panda. Everybody's jumping. I have my socks on. Vicky got her socks on. Callie got her little socks on. Got my socks. We're about to have some fun. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited, Callie? You excited? She's excited. Vicky's excited. I'm waiting for Janelle to put our stuff away.
Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. Okay,
Let me hold her. Come on, Callie.
We're not getting pizza.
You see them jumping?
We can all
They're jumping so high. You ready to go? You ready to go jump? Jump, jump.
Not dominoes.
You got Callie. Jump, Callie. Jump, jump, jump. Look at Callie jumping. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Jump, jump, jump. Look at her shirt. Jump. Hey guys, we're back. We had fun. It was really fun. Callie had fun. Everybody had fun. Hopefully I can upload another vlog for you guys pretty soon, but it was very fun. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see more vlogs because they're pretty interesting at times. I think that should be the end of our day. It's like 6 o'clock, but I'm gonna end the vlog right now because the day is pretty much over. We're just gonna go home and eat dinner and it should be done basically. But thank you for watching. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know down below. I will definitely try to film more vlog for you guys so you guys can see what I'm up to and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit your post notification bell on. Like the video. And yeah, we're out.